buenos días con ustedes todo y welcome con el pilot episode del Sweet Talk at 99. Porque 99 kay live kita ahora sa Sabado na Channel 99 na Sky Cable y Local Channel 13. So hindi agad tired ako na mga kachika. Iman, welcome na kita ako na di aton guest, Dia. El first guest di aton amo el headmaster tabla sila con el dance troupe del Southern City Colleges Sinagtala Performing Arts. No hay otro kung hindi si Mr. John Natividad. Buenos dias, Sir John.
Buenos dias, Contigo Sweet. Buenos dias, mga vivientes de Zamboanga.
Y el dos members tamen del dance group. Can you introduce yourself?
Buenos dias. Yo si Iran. Junto kami di Sir John LL.
So you're Iran. And you are?
Buenos dias. Yo si Daniel Esquera. One of the pioneer members of Sinagtala Performing Arts.
What's your name again?
Daniel.
Daniel. So Daniel, pregun tayo contigo no. You have the two pioneer member to the dance group. Okay. So kosa ya ase contigo el dance group as a student de SCC.
Okay, as a student, the dance troupe taught me how to for example sa campaigns namin insinya ka namon kilaya mang campaign about the school pati na school tan train like ka namon how to dance, not only one dance. We dances all kinds of dance, jazz, hip-hop, interpretative, lahat ng sayaw.
So, pakilaya to say Ablayan, help contigo as a student, being as a member of the dance group.
Being as a member, sumasayaw lang kami. Yun lang ginagawa namin, train, practice every day. Tapos, na-enjoy na namin yung 100% discount sa school. Tapos, nakikilala pa kami sa iba't ibang lugar.
Okay. So Sir John, like you mentioned si Daniel, like siya 100% discount. Kasi sa mean 100% discount.
Okay, pero before you say man answer, sabi to isa sila mga dancer antes, tabay-labay lang sa sila na eskwela, nuay kanila kenta po na atensyon. So kung hindi yun na Southern City Colleges. So
this year like bay-labay na lang sila, hindi tapo na atensyon.
Nuay kenta po na atensyon in a sense na nuay kanila kentan discover tadeha they're not enjoying any percent or scholarships na school. So kung ya-enter yun ng Southern City Colleges, ya mire se abla sa mga talent de mga jóvenes di ato na kinasombuanga, abla sayang sinoy kunese ken suporta. So that's why ya-enter yo abli ang guardian organize sa groups SCC Sinagtala Performing Arts. Then yan encourage ko na sa mga chene mga talents na man join ali. Abla yo kanila usa sa sila nila mga talento para pwede sila entra eskwela.
So, manadagal benefits el members del dance group.
El benefits tan enjoy sila 100% libre na tuition.
So dapat kada yung member tamen del dance
sure,
group.
Open sa to all. Actually, ta-receive esa na Sinagtala Performing Arts ta-receive kami masking ko sa talent.
Maskin abnormal.
Pwede basta pwede kita man entertain kun ang mga vivientes de Zamboanga.
Hindi tan mean abnormal na you mean akal henta abnormal. I mean like go kumigo.
Open kami todo.
Okay, so when lang to kada member del dance group?
Kada member del dance group opening del school year.
Opening the school, as in i-abri lang ang school yung entra to.
By the way, si Iran from Basilan sa LA. So anda sila alina eskwela during the campaign yan encourage LA kasi yan encourage ko lang mga estudyante, especially mga graduating students. I encourage them, sabi ko, gamitin nyo yung talent niyo para makapag-aaral kayo. And unya sa si Iran, ablalayan dala na eskwela, kay kere daw at LA, entra eskwela. Di su parents daw, hindi daw kaya kunele, man support kunele para di su studies na college.
So, kere this year, Sir Jan, no, parang it really helps as the student kung member to the dance group, tayo dagayot LL school para man continuous gat ko ng studies del un bata.
Kaya el motto de Southern City Colleges, this is the school that cares for you. So ibig sabihin, masingko sa patuke rico, patuke pobre to, welcome to El School, willing get ayuda contigo. Kasi sabi kita, el edukasyon para de todo.
Ay, wow. Sabi ka siya basta Southern, amo gayon.
See, and we're getting better and getting stronger.
Every day.
Every day, or every hour, every
Okay.
second, tali kami todo.
So, pakilaya ustedes tan divide el time as a dance group member and as a student.
Okay, el time check kami is time para de practice. Check kami, bale hindi ta apekta dila mga studies dila. So time management lang sa todo.
So, time management is very important
Yes.
in every aspect of life.
Yes,
Diba?
that's true.
So, Daniel, what year you galit to?
I'm third year na po ako.
Third year.
Taking up Bachelor of Science in Information
Also,
Technology.
third year college. Okay. So, hindi ba sa tan dipisul dito yung lifestyle na studies in terms of dancing?
Actually, hindi. Kasi, sister, like sir, tayo dapat si sir ka namon, for example, ng mga thesis studies di amon, tan kuhan kami concert, tan advice, pili kami advice. So, tayo grande kad ayuda ka namon.
So, aside from performing na school, are you performing outside the school campus or outside the city?
Yes, si Chen mga invitations, sa invita ka naman ng mga otro eskwela, tan perform ka Chen mga shows sa Kinasambuanga City. Okay, talita min si kami.
So, for all, abla nga sila,
For
open
all.
for all,
Open for all.
SCCC Nagtala.
Si.
Okay, that's good. So, aside from, tabla kita like mga jazz, di ba, you're dancing jazz, modern dance, because a very special, specialty del SCC Sinagtala.
Okay, specialty di amon, siguro I can say
Hindi ele
na,
adobo, di ba?
si, siguro masingko sa dances kaya kami. Specialty di amin, total performer, ang mga members del Sinagtala Performing Arts.
So, total performer. That's very nice to know. On the series, sa ka mga ideas, like, abla kita mga steps, when it comes to new dances,
Okay,
mga
with regards
uso.
sa mga steps, of course, sabi tatalit YouTube, internet, okay? Na mga TVs, sa mga shows, alita pwede kami sa ka-ideas, and tan research tamin kami, kosa kat mga, let's say, special na mga ethnic dances, kasi naman ta pwede as kosa-kosa lang when it comes to cultural dance. So we need to research talaga.
So, choreographer daw dance group.
Okay, choreographer.
Especially, sabi two.
Actually,
One of the choreographer.
one of the choreographer iyo, plus Chenepa, si Mr. Robert Jurado, si Mr. Romeli Galik.
So, tablang at kita no, pag choreographer to, any songs will do, di ba? Pag uwi lang to songs as in or music, ta-entrance sa diretso na mind, di ba? So, keryo sabi ara, si debarasan ba sila taabla, okay? So, keryo mira, Sir Jan, tuka kami un music ara, maskin short music lang, disco song, keryo mira ko sa to as a step ko neste.
Sure,
Are
iyo
you-
man perform?
Hindi, iyo. Hindi. So, are you ready?
Okay.
Pwede kita un disco music. Let's go. It's Sir Jan.
Just shoot for the stars. If it feels right, and aim for my heart. If you feel like it, take me away and make it okay. I swear I'll behave. You wanted control.
Sir Jan na tibidad. Ang mukil mga kasika, dance craze, ala di Sir Jan. Kaya gacho sige mga ansina, o, di ba? Era insinya kumigo, Sir Jan, na. Okay, mira tamin kita ahora el performance del SCC Sinagtala Performing Arts. Sir Jan, okay lang ba kami pili sample ko na members?
Sure.
Okay.
Pati sweet, okay lang ba? Si man, invite namin yung mga vivientes and mga upcoming activities namin.
Sure, Sir Jan, go ahead.
Okay, I'm inviting all the people of Zamboanga City, especially the student is coming February 14 hanggang February 17. And Southern City Colleges, we have our open house. And in connection of the Dia de Zamboanga, we have this Rotaran on February 25 at Jardín de... Ay, sinapasonan ka. Sweet, yan, pwede ba ito, Anali?
Okay, akal na
Maria
delay,
Clara Lobregat. Uno sa the landmark aki na Zamboanga City. So, chene kami Rotaran 2012.
So, ben manada gali ara activities dance group del SCC.
Si.
So, mga kachika, watch out ko na sa dila mga shows, yan mention si Sir John ang mga schedule. Si quiero hacerles con nila, mira, anda lang ustedes na di ila mga set activity schedule. Okay? So, ara, mira kita ko ng mga members del SCC Sinag Tala Performing Arts, kadali ka natun uno dance number. Ready ya ba? Mentras espera kita ko ng mga dance member del SCC Sinag Tala Performing Arts, Lego manhunto tamen kanatun ang mga beauty queens de Zamboanga City. Ken masa sila mga beauty queens kosa-kosa sila ya saka titulo akin na Zamboanga. Pero espera lang ustedes mga kachika kay Lego pa sa un rato. Mentras ahora ready el di atun SCC Sinag Tala Performing Arts.
Just shoot for the stars. If it feels right, then aim for my heart. If you feel like it, take me away and make it okay. I swear I'll behave. You wanted control, so we waited. I put on a show. Now I'm naked. You say I'm a kid. My ego is big. I don't give a shit. And it goes like this. Tell me about the tongue and I'll know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. Maybe it's hard when you feel like you're broken and scarred. Nothing feels right, but when you're with me, I'll make you believe that I've got the key. Oh, so get in the car. You can ride it wherever you want. Get inside it and you wanna steer, but I'm shifting gear. I'll take it from here. Oh yeah, yeah. And it goes like this. Tell me about the tongue and I'll know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger.
You wanna know how to make me smile? Take control on me just for the night. And if I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this. So watch and learn. I won't show you twice. Head to toe, ooh, baby, run it right. But if I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this.
And it goes like this. Tell me about the tongue and I'll know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger.
Yes, there you have it, the SCC Sinag Tala Performing Arts. Inabirada del Sweet Talk at 99 manhunto kanatun si Miss Ariana Patulot and si Miss Alexia Don Muta. So don't go away, we'll be right back.
Changueros y changueras na siyudad de Zamboanga. Anda na Aderes Flea Market. Giwan siyudad de Zamboanga. Na Aderes Flea Market alya mga pescao, lokon, el cangrejo, lobster, imbao, puracha, latu y todos los clases de seafoods that only Zamboanga can offer. También tiene carne vaca, carne puerco y manok. Todo necesidades de changue. También amigos y amigas, gulay y frutas fresco, sabroso. Y mga tinderos y tinderas with a smile on their faces. Es el Zamboanga Aderes Flea Market, Alina, Iwan Highway, Ciudad de Zamboanga.
I'm staring out of my window.
For occasions like wedding, birthday, anniversaries, and other special events, PB13 offers a special package of coverage and airtime rates with a chance of watching these memorable occasions on the screen. Please call us on telephone number 955-0139 for appointment. PB13 is located on 2nd floor LRC Building, Tomas Claudio Street, Zamboanga City.
I'm just gonna dance.
You're still watching Sweet Talk at 99 live on a Saturday morning aquí na Channel 13 y na Sky Cable Channel 99. Y ahora ay junto ka natin el dos beauty queens de Zamboanga City. Pagkapatabla kita beauty queens. Sabi sa kita kanila. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Ariana Isabel Patulot and Miss Alexia Dawn Muta. Good morning, girls. Wow, you're so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ano namin iyo? The joke. Anyway, can I call you Alex? Is it Alex?
Shan or Shandy?
Shy. Shy. What a name, Shy. Okay, Shy.
Shan.
Shan. So, how old are you, Shan? Kwantaan niya to?
17.
17. So, kere lang kita manda sabi no. In the age of 17, okay, at the age of 17, kosa ya to titles, tabla kita, ya pwede saka, or mga beauty pageant ya entra aki na syudad.
Alya na Vitali siguro mucho ya. Ano ba ito do?
So Vitali mucho yan. Nasa Zamboanga, mga recently shows.
Miss Red Cross lang. Aki na Zamboanga.
So aside from ko na sa show, like, have you joined mga Miss Teen, Miss Zamboanga,
May pa.
na school?
May padamed.
So, amo ka pinaka first big event ya entra to?
Yes, Miss Zamboanga. Miss Red Cross pa lang.
Okay, so, how about you, Ariana?
Well, I'm the Soltera de Zamboanga 2011.
So, may balansa, di ba?
Yes,
Mhm.
last year.
Last year.
Reigning. And then I also won Miss Fonda de Ayala, second runner-up 2011, and Miss Red Cross, Miss Independence.
So, ako tabla kita na Soltera de Zamboanga, am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
2011. Kosa dito you experience, kaya pwede abla, yun motivate gat contigo as a super model or beauty queen and as a individual.
Experiences, yung paano sa mga tao, like how are you gonna deal with people, different people, yeah.
So you mean na being the Soltera de Zamboanga 2011, it really helps you a lot to communicate
Yeah,
with
to communicate
people.
with a lot of people of different races.
Okay. So how about you, Miss Muta? Any plans for the future to join big events?
As of now, siguro hindi pa kasi I'm prioritizing my schooling.
Oh, so you're still studying.
Yes. I'm still studying at Brent, second year college.
And you?
I'm one of the candidates for Mr. and Miss Youth Ambassador of Goodwill.
Oh, so,
Yeah.
di ba this February?
Yeah, this February 29.
So, Mr. and Miss Ambassador of...
Mr. and Miss Youth Ambassador of Goodwill.
Okay, so you're busy right now?
Not really.
Not really?
Yeah, not really.
So, kasi dito yung mga preparation for the set pageant for this month. Ano na yung mga preparation mo for Mr. and Miss Youth Ambassador?
Nothing, just the usual. Just the usual preparation. Like, I have to sleep early to, look good always.
Tawag nga sila, di ba, beauty rest?
Yeah, beauty rest.
So, how early is that?
As early as 9.
Are you sure, 9? Anyway, di ba, tabla kita, uso alam mga Facebook, Twitter.
Yeah.
Are you with Facebook and Twitter?
Yeah. Yes, Facebook. Just Facebook.
And how about you?
Yes, just
Facebook. Okay. Di ba, kung tayo pa kita mga beauty pageant, di ba siya sa mga talent portion or production number? So, kung sa tutaasin na talent dito you?
Dancing.
As in, modern dancing?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Kasi I'm one of the dance member of the dance troupe of Brent Hospital and
As in, so you're good in dancing. Okay, can you show us a little bit, di ba? A little bit lang ng mga dance move, Ali. Okay lang ba?
What kind of dance?
Anything? Hindi. Kasi ito yung mga specialty na dancing. More on...
dance part, jazz dance, yes.
So can you give us a move? Sige don't be shy. Okay, music. Okay, we'll ask for music. Masking simple dance move lang. Yeah. You can stand.
Can you
so
be
that
my partner for a while?
do the honor. Well, wait kita ko ng music para dali sample di aton guest si Miss Alexia Dawn. Okay? Kaya lang tamin yung rin di gracious namin kunal di aton mga supporter. Especially kunal Janjan's Catering kunal Flavorite Cuisine. Thank you so much. Now, mira kita sample di Miss Alexia Dawn. Diba? Mga guest. Iara un rato manhunto tamen ko naton el uno guest pa diaton mutabla kita beauty queen tamen no other than Miss Ajura Amat. Okay? Ay kono sa kita konele ara un rato after el sample di Miss Alexia. Anyway, pwede kita manhunto-hunto every Saturday 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Live na live aki na TV13 in na Sky Cable Channel 99. Chineste replay every Tuesday. So man watch out lang ko na replay di atin every Tuesday. Okay, ready atin sounds for Miss.
It's gonna take a lot, nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. Just like a breakdown in Africa. It's gonna take some time, but I know you're worth fighting for. I'd fight for you. I'd fight for you. I'd fight for you. Friends are cool, but we both know they don't wanna see us together.
Okay, thank you so much, Alexia Dawn. Bonito ang number nun, Alexia Dawn, di ba? So, Miss Ariana, it's your turn. Di ba you love singing?
Yes.
So, can you give us a sample of it?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide yourself in regret, just love yourself and you're set. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way.
Wow, very beautiful voice. So,
Thank
kaya
you.
tamin nyo man sing Born This Way. Yeah. Sorry lang mga kachika kasi I was born this way. Anyway, thank you na mga talents yan share ustedes. So, pakilaya el mga abagta, syempre siya sa mga fans ali di ba? Kasi ta-entro sa mga beauty pageant. Pakilaya sila pwede man follow ko na ustedes. Mga schedules, do you have any schedules to be followed by the
Yeah. On February 29, 2011, it will be Mr. and Miss Youth Ambassador at Zamboanga City Coliseum, Tetuan. I also have my Facebook account. It's ariana.isabel@yahoo.com.
And you?
This time, I have nothing, mga pageant pala ako. But I'm busy this coming February 24. We're going to Dipolog for the Prizaa.
So, that's February 24 for the Prisaa.
Yes.
Then, after that, no plans yet.
Yes.
Okay. Mga kachika, manhunto pa syempre kita. I-konosa kita kanal di atun uno pa guest. I-hunto kanal di atun dos beauty queen. I-kanal dance group. I-concert dyan natividad. Nabirada na si Todo del Sweet Talk at 99.
Fidelis Computer Sales and Service Center is ready to serve your needs. Desktop computers and laptops, brand new and second-hand, computer parts, computer repairs and upgrading, CCTV installation and other computer needs. Come to Fidelis Computer Sales and Service Center. Fidelis Computer Sales and Service, located at MCLL Highway 21, Zamboanga City, beside Cabato Hospital. Telephone number 955-0719. Cell phone number 0916-5894-219. May the beautiful city of Zamboanga, its neighboring cities, and the provinces of Asilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi be blessed with abundant joy and prosperity brought about by optimum utilization of God-given resources of land and sea. SR Seafoods International Incorporated, located at RG Ling Boulevard, Zamboanga City, exporter and processor since 1990 of octopus and other marine products. All the best!
Yes, you're still watching Sweet Talk at 99. I-aurayan huntoya ka natun. Uno gas di atun, tabla nga sila. Uno taman beauty queen, Miss Ajura Joy Ahmad. Good morning.
Hi, good morning po. I'm sorry, I'm late.
No, it's okay. It's better late than never. Ika nga nila, di ba?
Opo.
So, like yung question yun, ask ko nila, Joy, si kosa-kosa sila mga pageant ya entra. Okay? So, eto, kosa-kosa mga pageant ya tamen to ya entra. Kosa mga titles ya to ya saka.
Okay, first is Miss BPE sa WEMSO. Cover, nag-stop ako kasi mas maganda sa akin. At boyish pa and yun.
Kasi tanmin yan, stop to kay mas maganda sa akin. Kasakil.
Hindi naman. Mas maganda ka sa akin, no ka ba?
Mas maganda. Ay, alam ko na. Anyway, go ahead. Continue.
Hindi, kasi tapos nun, may nagsasabi sa akin na, magsali ka na lang kasi, yun, matangkad, ganyan. Wala kasi akong confident. Pangit kasi ako sa sarili, tingin ko. Cover, tapos
But
yun.
Pero naniwala ka maganda ka.
Sabi nila.
Sino nagsabi?
Papa ko. Maganda na lang ako.
Sinungaling talaga yung tatay.
Papa ko, ah.
Okay.
Then, tapos sa last year, nagsumasali na ako sa mga modeling. Alam niya ni Sir. Tapos, wala daw talaga ako chance.
Close kayo.
Medyo.
Kayo, ha?
Tapos, wala daw ako chance kasi hindi ako marunong maglumakad, pangit. Basta ganun mo sinasabi. And then, may nakadiscover sa akin. That was, sa pangalan niya is Mami Nor Abubakar. Mami Nor, thank you dahil sa'yo. Nandito ako. Malaki ang utang na loob ko sa'yo ka. Kahit na marami nag-offer sa akin, ikaw pa rin ang mami ko. Dahil sa kanya, discover ko. Ang dami na akong sinalihan. Mga, like Miss Red Cross, Top Model, Mannequin 2012. sa school namin. Siya nakahalaga sa akin. Then, so on so far hanggang ngayon.
So, marami ka na talaga mga experiences when it
Yes.
comes to modeling.
Yes.
So, aside from Tablakitaya and Tattoo na mga Sambuanga Search, do you have any plans to join like national competition?
Wala.
Bakit naman wala? Sayang naman yung height, yung ganda.
Yes. Para sa akin kasi, I like lang ramp, modeling. Pag question and answer kasi nakaka-answer ako pero okay, ayoko.
Yung honest gaya di atun guess.
Yes, kasi ayoko kasi ipilit yung sarili ko na ang ganda niya, ang tangkad niya, oo, perfect. Pero alam mo yung banga nga.
Okay, so sinabi mo na yan, no? When it comes to ramp modeling, okay. Pero when it comes to question and answer, parang So how about the two ladies? Ano yung fear nyo in joining beauty pageant? Katulad din ba ni Joy na when it comes to ramp modeling, okay? When it comes to Q&A,
Okay lang naman. I can handle it.
you can handle it. And how about you, Ariana?
Yeah, I can also handle it.
So do you have any plans para man-join national competition?
Me, I don't have any plans because I'm just 5'2". Kulang sa height. Hindi
Bakit?
pwede.
Ba't sa ano ba? Sa beauty pageant ba dapat
national pageant, national pageants requires height.
So, kasal minimum, ano yung minimum height ng
I
babae?
think it's 5'6", 5'7".
So, hindi pala ako pwede dyan.
Hindi.
Buti na lang at hindi ako, model. Sir Jan, di ba
Yes.
manatami to experience ang sina ng mga beauty pageant kasi tan judge to, tan host, at sina. So, kosa to, pwede abla ako ng datong 3 ladies aki, kaya nuay sila plano enter national competition.
Okay, so for this time, no, naiposted as plano. Okay, continue. You have to focus your studies. And of course, study sa self-confidence sa sarili. Huwag kayo mawala ng confidence sa sarili nyo. Maganda kayo. Lahat ng tao, maganda. Di ba, sweet?
Alam ko na yan, Sir Jan.
Nasa pagdadala lang yan.
Ko
Okay.
Huwag ganyan.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, so, wala tayo, di ba? Ito talaga si Surgeon, sinabi talaga on air, maganda ako. Ba yan?
Totoo naman.
Okay, anyway, syempre, aside from mga kwento kita about mga beauty pageant, mga plans, kasi Sir Kayal, Valentine's Day, di ba? Feb 14, taliya gayo, escucha ya gayo. Joy, are you in love?
Yes.
As in, yes. Are you sure?
Yes, for 3 years na po.
Ay, 3 years. Though, pakilaya ustedes yan build a relationship to your boyfriend.
Medyo sa labas. Actually, first is war. War talagang first challenge. Hanggang sa nagsawa na, kami din naman mag-aaway bate, sopakan, bugbugan, duguan.
Kasi ganun talaga.
Yes, I'm honest lang po. Pero
na dating mga viewers, no, it's not advisable na un relasyon dapat ang sinagayot, bugbugan, duguan, it's not advisable. Much better kung love, di ba?
huwag niyo po ako gayahin kasi ako kind of person is sadista po ako.
Okay, how about you?
I don't have boyfriend.
So, ano iba mga love, ali-fling na...
Anuay man, pero manadatan ligaw.
Manadatan ligaw. But you don't
Yes.
have any plans yet to be in a relationship?
Yes.
How about you, Ariana?
Me, I'm single. I'm single. Since I'm single this Valentine, siguro, since walang ka-date, gig na lang muna.
Gig. So,
Yeah.
yan, mention niya too, since Valentine's man, gig ya lang.
Yeah, gig.
So,
Since walang date, gig na lang.
So, wala ba naniligaw?
Wala.
Sa ganda mo yan, na lang naniligaw?
Wala.
Ganon. Siguro, nakapikit pa rin yung mga lalaki ngayon, no? So, yun nga, yung plano mo is gig on Valentine's Day.
Yeah, maybe gig.
Joy, any plans for Valentine's?
Simple lang, basta as long as magkasama kami, every day is Valentine's sa amin dalawa.
Wow. How about you as a single? Any plans for Feb 14?
Maybe friends, outing, whatsoever.
Go out with friends.
Yes.
So, ask namin yung contigo, Surgeon, no? Kasi I know you're a married man. You're a father and a loving husband. So, kosa dito yung plans on Valentine's Day?
Okay, for this coming Valentine's Day, siguro man-dinner lang kami with my wife and my 2 kids.
At sina? So, ano sa man dinner na play?
Secret siya lang. Baka anda to.
Dito yung anda, no? So dinner date with
Dinner date
the
with my family.
entire family.
Yes.
Any gift for the wife?
Secret. It's a surprise.
But you already have in mind?
Yes.
Or yan prepare yan?
Yan prepare ya. Just waiting for the date to come.
And sina, era no, kentamir ali, single tamin yun, no, so no ayo, any plans for Valentine's? Baka, manunti lang kami tres, geek, di ba? So, aside from relationship with boyfriends or girlfriend's wife, syempre, most importantly, family. So, kosa to ase or plans dito you for your family?
For me is good health sila sa kanila, prayer ko sa kanila, and actually I'm broken family. Pero wala na akong magawa. Okay naman ngayon, so far, pray ko lang talaga sila good health, and sana parang makasweldo ng malaki, bibigyan ko sila ng extra.
Okay, Miss Ariana, for your family, kasi ano yung mga gusto mong gawin on Valentine's Day?
On Valentine's.
Hindi ngayon. On Valentine's Day.
Siguro I'm gonna spend I think the whole night with my family. Yeah.
So, spend the whole night with your family.
Spend the whole night with my family.
And ikaw din, so, syempre kasi single di ba? So,
Yes.
much better stay with the family on Valentine's Day. But, have you prepared something for your parents?
Perhaps I will just give them a gift, but in my situation, my parents not here. My mother is invitada and my father also. So maybe I will just spend my time with my friends.
But then you can also give them at least a call, di ba, on Valentine's
Of course.
Day. That would be
Every day.
Yeah, that would mean a lot for your parents kasi your parents are far away from you pala. So you live alone. So
Yes.
boys, di ba? Si Miss Muta lives alone. So pwede ka to ustedes mandalaw, di ba? So
Bawal.
Joy, kasi like yan abla to earlier kasi you're so honest, you're so real when it comes to everything. 3 years with your boyfriend, tiyan ba plano to go into more deep relationship? Like, abla kita wedding bells?
Actually, yes. Pero sa ngayon kasi is studies, career muna po. Kasi darating tayo sa panahon na yan.
Kasi kung nasabi all datin mga televiewers, no, Joy, you're a
23.
23 and a Muslim.
Muslim po, half Christian and half Muslim.
So, Muslim is in the father's side.
Opo.
And then, mother side is Christian.
Mami.
Pero on the gatuta sige religion, is it in Muslim or in Christian?
Actually, sa Muslim syempre, pero I practice kasi Christian kasi mas close ako sa...
So, hindi ba nakakaroon ng problema sa inyo ng boyfriend niyo when it comes to religion?
No, we respect each other.
So, you respect each other's
Yes.
religion?
Yes po.
Okay? Diba? I've learned something. Dapat kasi, diba, if you get into a relationship, no matter kosale, if he's a Christian or a Muslim, as long as you love one another, then, diba, love will always be there. Diba? So, how about you, Ariana? What are your ideal man?
Someone who's responsible, who's gonna respect me, yeah, and who's gonna take good care of me.
So, responsible and someone who can take good care of
Yeah,
you.
someone who's
Importante ba el physical appearance del hombre para con ustedes dos? Is it important for the physical appearance of a guy?
anyhow, somewhat.
No, pero honestly.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. How about
Okay
you,
lang.
Alexia? Dapat ba gwapo or dapat ba okay lang? Diba?
For
Honestly.
me,
Kasi ako, I want gwapo eh.
Of course, siguro lahat naman, di ba?
Oo.
Honestly speaking, okay lang sa akin kahit hindi siya gwapo. Basta mabait lang talaga siya at aalagaan ako.
Okay, Sir Jan, uya kita ko nila tres no, like, si Joy is somehow okay lang ko nila el relationship nila, no problems el nila religion, okay? Eto ba, yan encounter ya ba to problems na dito yung marriage life?
With regards to problem, parang normal lang siya. El bottom lang you have to face the challenges ko sa anda contigo, and pwede to say compone todo ko sa mga problema na pamilya. Okay, like in my case, siguro no need to elaborate. Ben manadyo kulang na di mi pamilya, especially time. Kasi I'm very much particular with my career. Minsan taulbide di mi pamilya, pero one thing yan learn nyo, dapat I need to manage my time, both for my family and my career.
So, yan abla tuno kay in a relationship, normal lang kasi problems. So, pakilaya to yan, yan hold ko na relationship, and pakilaya to yan face ko na challenges, and does it make your relationship stronger?
See, kasi dapat gatali siya like open communication for both men and women. Dapat mangkwento gat ustedes. Kasi pangit kasi si halimbawa rabyo uno, rabyo tamen kwan, di ba? Hindi ustedes man entendihan. So, ang mga case ang sina naise on the gindal storya. Mostly ginda sila sa partahan, di ba? Amo sa usually tan encounter ara because of this communication.
Okay, so dapat galano kung if you have problems with your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, the most important thing gale is to talk about it, di ba? Amo sayan learn yung ara na tauyo ko na ustedes na dapat gale man kwento gad ko na problems, man fix, man settle as much as possible para hindi man come up in a decision na in the end man, di ba, like mansisi lang ustedes. Diba? So Joy, any message for your boyfriend if he's watching right now?
Actually, he's outside. Daddy, I love you so much lang po.
Ay, ganun lang? Daddy, I love you so much. Okay. Message for your mom and your dad if they are watching right now.
I love them so much, and I'm very lucky because they are my parents. Yes, I'm so proud of them.
And Ariana, message for your mom, your dad.
To my mom, get well soon because she's sick right now. Yeah, to my dad, thank you for always being there, mom and dad. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for taking good care of me. Yeah, thank you for everything. Love you.
Okay. Sir John, message for your wife.
Okay, to my wife and my 2 kids, this is my first time in local television. I will say, I love you so much and I'll do everything para maging intact tong family natin. And I promise.
You better promise that. Diba? Dapat, diba, when you say something or when the words came up from your mouth, dapat sincere, di ba? So, kaya lang taman yung abla, kundi mga parents, like to my mom and my dad, thank you so much for all the support. And, maski hindi man Valentine's Day, I see to it na every day, taman tayo man feel ko nila a love from me as a, kasbay abla, son, daughter, anything, okay? And to all my supporters, thank you so much. And, on Valentine's Day, dapat todo mga problema with one another, we have to forgive and forget. Abla nga di mi uno friend ali si Kuya RR, di ba? Forgive and forget para naimaya ko sa tan Kim adentro. And dali kita kasi kunal datun mga special someone, special people in our life na dapat share the love, diba? So, any final message for our televiewers, Joy? Regarding na mga, especially mga audience dato na ambition tamen kada beauty queen like you, kasi ito pwede abla ko nila, pwede dali advice.
Okay, guys, for me is just stay who you are, magpakatotoo ka. Be confident and yun lang, be honest and pray with God. Yun lang po.
And what is love for you?
Love for me is like a gun.
Yun lang. Yun lang. How about you, Alexia? What can you say to our televiewers? Like advice na who wants to join beauty pageant? What is the importance ba ng beauty pageant and the studies?
First, you should prioritize your studies to kaysa sa sa modeling. Pero if you really want to join such competitions like beauty pageant, you should manage your time.
Okay, and you, Ariana, any message to your supporters and to all aspirants who wants to be like you?
As what Alexia said, time management, always keep your feet on the ground, be honest, and pray to God, ask for His guidance always.
And I forgot to ask, what is love for you?
Love is, I don't know.
You still don't know what is love.
Yeah, I don't know what love.
Anyway, Sir John, message to all the televiewers who wants to improve their talents in dancing.
Okay, but before that, in behalf of the Southern City Colleges, we would like to thank Sweet for inviting us, for giving this opportunity. Okay, and can I invite also before final
Sure,
message?
go ahead.
Okay, I'm inviting you all Vivientes de Zamboanga to join, especially the students, this coming February 14 to 17, our open house at the SEC campus. And on February 25, we have the Rotarun 2011 at Pasonanca. Okay, and for those mga estudyante, alis, si quiere pa ustedes entra escuela, okay, usa ustedes mga talento, and man-join na Southern City Colleges Sinagtala Performing Arts. Kasi ben grande ayuda sa para ustedes studio.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir John. Thank you to all my guests for today. Thank you so much for being with me on my first and pilot episode. Tarindigat yo gracias gayot, of course, number one, kun Ma'am Susan De Los Reyes for giving this opportunity, and to Sir Jerry Acuña, thank you so much. To my staff, to Kuya Rodel Rabañez, thank you so much. To Jake West, thank you for the wonderful intro and extra. And to Jeff, thank you so much. To my cameraman Maki, thank you. To Kuya Ernie, to Sir Andy, to Sir Hello, thank you so much for all the support. And of course, thank you so much na miyo mga sponsors. Tita Vanji of ER Apello Flower Shop, thank you so much for the flower. Ma'am Mirna Inocencio of Mirna's Bake Shop, thank you so much. Love you, Ma'am Mirna. And to the Jan Jan's Catering Services, to Ma'am Jackie Lim, thank you for the food. And to Flavorite Cuisine, thank you so much. Manunto-hunto lang syempre kita mga kachika na Sabado, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Aki lang syempre na TV13 in na Channel 99 na Sky Cable. Este si Sweet Mendoza, de seres hot kachika, kita dali ko na seres todo bonito chikahan, aki na TV13. Este El Sweet Talk at 99. To the stay tuned for Cuentas Claras with Congressman Ernie Fabian. Bye everyone, God bless!
Tell me about a tongue and I know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you.